Hey, what's up there, crew? Matt Vasallo here with TRW. So I just want to remind you about the big giveaway tonight. So tonight's giveaway for the Silhouette Cameo 3, this vinyl cutter right here, we will be giving away our 48th Silhouette Cameo 3 for 2018. Starting tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern, we will also have some brand new TRW exclusive True Type fonts that we will be releasing at a special price. We'll have a training during the live, and we'll have some additional giveaways as well. So the biggest thing you need to do is enter the contest. So we are going to be giving away the Silhouette Cameo from our subscribers of the Matt Vasallo YouTube channel. Okay, so I provided the link right below, and at the end of this video, you will see that link to subscribe to that channel as well. So make sure to do that. That's how I'm going to pick the winner for the Cameo. We will have other prizes as well. We'll also be giving away some mini packs. So for the mini packs, you are going to like, you're going to share, and you're going to tag a friend on the post for the Cameo giveaway on the TRW Facebook page. So 4 different ways to enter. Subscribe to the Matt Vasallo YouTube channel. That's an amazing channel where I go on for 15 to 30 minutes every single day, Monday through Friday, 5 times a week. I answer your questions and I just help your business, all completely free. So make sure to subscribe to that channel. Click that little bell to get your reminders whenever we go live on that channel each day, Monday through Friday. We'll be doing that later today. And then also like, share, and tag a friend on the Facebook post on the Rhinestone World Facebook page. 9 p.m. Eastern tonight, December 17th, we'll be giving away the 48th Silhouette Cameo 3 for 2018. Make sure to be there, and we're going to have an amazing time. We'll see you soon, crew. Also, tonight is the last night for the holiday sale. 25% off all Hotfix rhinestones. 55% off the artwork packs, the mini packs, and all download files on the website. And then also 10% off all heat transfer vinyl and sign vinyl. Don't need a coupon code on the website, therhinestoneworld.com. All of those will discount automatically for you. Make it as easy as can be. So midnight Pacific Standard Time tonight on December 17th as well. And I'll be talking about that in the live. Now remember, the live is live on the Matt Vasallo YouTube channel, the same one you'll be subscribing to. So we'll see you tonight, crew. You guys all have an amazing day. We'll talk to you later. Later.